What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and to kick things off, I want to say the raffle is over. We'll be doing a live drawing on Friday, but if you still want to grab some merch, you can do that because, again, only the t-shirts are part of the raffle. So if you wanted a cap for the summer, go ahead and check out the website. The link is in the description, and you can get some of this cool merch. Now, today's deals will be mostly coming from eBay because there's not a whole lot going on. You know, not a whole lot of good deals going on. But there's some good ones over at eBay, over from Tools Direct. But Lowe's has a pretty sweet deal going on today as a daily deal. This Bosch Pro Factor track saw. And this is the actual kit. So it comes with a charger. It's not a big boy charger. It's kind of the basic bottom of the line charger here, and an 8 amp hour battery, and it's the Pro Factor. So all of this Pro Factor means it's tippy top of the line. It's like comparing to Milwaukee's Fuel line. All right, this is fairly new, so it doesn't have a ton of reviews, but I did find some reviews on Amazon and everyone loved it. Let's talk about Amazon really quick. I just want to show you guys the prices for the kit. $649. Granger's $865. Yikes. But Amazon tool only, it's on sale for $296. Now this was like almost $500 too. You see, it's the lowest price in 30 days. Yeah, it's 43% off. So if you wanted tool only and you weren't in a hurry, you could grab this from Amazon for $296. Now going on back over to Lowe's, I just want to show you guys this is not $499. So it's part of the buy more save more. And if you spend, I think, $450 on Bosch tools, you get $150 off. So this is actually $150 off, making it $349. And if we go over here and check the cart, we'll see that it's $349 now, which is not a bad deal at all, considering you get the charger and an 8 amp hour battery for a little over $50 extra in comparison to Amazon right here. And you can check out the ratings there. So there's that. In addition to this being $349, you also get your Rakuten. So if you're new to Rakuten, use the link in the description and sign up. You get a $30 bonus cash back in addition to the 2% cash back. And even when we move on over to eBay and we look at these deals over at eBay, all right, eBay also has Rakuten as well. So you get 1% cash back. And if you're new again, you get that $30 cashback bonus as well. And if you've already gotten your cashback bonus from signing up with Rakuten, man, use extra bucks for eBay. You get 4% cash back or 4.6 super cash back with eBay, and you'll get an additional $20 bonus for signing up with extra bucks, and that link is also in the description below. Moving on, we're over at eBay with Tools Direct, and of course, well, one thing just sold out. It was 186 items for sale, so hopefully it's nothing that I picked out for you guys. So I'll leave this link. You can go through and just see what they have up today. But I picked out some things that I thought were pretty good. Moving on, we have this DeWalt 20-inch scroll saw. I want to show you guys what saw it actually is. It's over here on Amazon for $391, but of course this is not $399. It's $399 with an additional 30% off. So you add this to the cart, take extra 30% off, and that brings us down to $280. Okay, so this is actually $280 for a scroll saw, and with it being so large, I'm sure this is probably new. Okay, so there you go with that. Moving on, we have the Ridgid 7 1/4 inch circular saw. Now they have a whole bunch of these because if you recall that deal over at Home Depot where you got this and you got the mid-torque impact wrench, this was a buy one get one, and it was a glitch, and no one picked up their circular saw, or they either returned the circular saw. So there's a whole bunch of them here. The irony is, if you bought this with the Home Depot hack, so to speak, this turned out to be $91 brand new. So you can go get it over here for $100 plus an additional 30% off. So now you can grab this for actually $70. And I assure you these will be new, but they won't have a warranty though. That's going to be the thing. These won't have a warranty like they would have if you just got it from Home Depot and then registered. You'd have had a lifetime service agreement. So yeah, so here we are. This will be $70 roughly, or $69 and some change. So there you have that. And I'm quite positive the majority of these will be basically brand new because, you know, again, people didn't either pick it up or people just returned it immediately to keep the impact wrench. Moving on, a lot of you guys really like the Ryobi stack boxes. So here's the rolling box, $69 with an additional 30% off. I don't think you're going to find any rolling box that cheap. So there you go there. I don't know what that turns out to be. Let's go see. So that turned out to be $48. Moving on. We have this, the DeWalt combo kit. It's $3.99. Let me just show you what that is. It is actually this kit here, this impact driver, this hammer drill, this XR, this compact reciprocating saw, and this XR oscillating tool with two 4-amp-hour batteries, charger bag. And it's normally at $3.99, and it's $3.99 over here too. But again, you get the 30% off. So this is actually $280, and they have more than 10 of these available. Just know when you buy this, make sure you inspect everything because people will buy these things and swap stuff out. So check that out there. Moving on, we also have this DeWalt work stand. This is $99. At Home Depot, it's $120. But again, over here you have the 30% off, bringing this down about $69 and some change, $70. And this is the stand that you're getting. Moving on, we have this pressure washer, and you know, I'm going to say, you guys, I don't think DeWalt makes very good pressure washers. This is the pressure washer in question. It has a really good pump because it has thermal relief, and I actually like the Ryobi version. They basically are identical, but the Ryobi has a GX commercial Honda motor, and it has that axial pump, and it also has thermal relief, so you don't have to constantly keep the water running through it to keep it cool. But you know, I had some DeWalt pressure washers, and none of them were good. And look at this, only 29% of customers recommend. I only bring this up to say I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out because I don't want to tempt thee. But I'm just telling you, you know, I would personally avoid. And that is it. That is all I got for you guys today. Again, you guys can go through here and look for some more deals. I didn't go through the whole kit and caboodle here, but you know, there's a lot more stuff available. So that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.